Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and tools in the world of AI and personal finance. In today's video, we're going to talk about AI side hustles that actually work, and how you can use them to earn an extra $1,000 per month. First, let's look at Method 1. Using AI to create and sell digital products. For example, you can use a tool like Jasper to create high-quality ebooks and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. I recently used Jasper to create an ebook on affiliate marketing, and I was able to sell it for $20 per copy, earning me over $1,000 in just a few weeks. Next, let's look at Method 2. Using AI to create and sell online courses. For example, you can use a tool like Udemy to create and sell online courses on topics like AI and machine learning. I recently created a course on Udemy teaching people how to use AI tools to make money online, and I was able to sell it for $50 per student, earning me over $500 in just a few days. Now, let's look at Method 3. Using AI to create and sell affiliate marketing websites. For example, you can use a tool like WordPress to create a website and promote affiliate products using AI-generated content. I recently created a website promoting affiliate products in the health and wellness niche, and I was able to earn over $1,500 in just a few weeks using AI-generated content. As a bonus tip, you can also use AI to create and sell stock photos and videos. For example, you can use a tool like Midjourney to create high-quality stock photos and sell them on platforms like Shutterstock. I recently used Midjourney to create a stock photo and sold it for $50, earning me a nice passive income stream. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and personal finance, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content.